We are starting our first module with understanding the anxiety. Introduction to anxiety. I sometimes feel worried and tensed in my life. I sometimes feel fearful when I think of the future. This, at times, is overwhelming. What does this mean? Is this normal? These feelings and emotions are called anxiety. It is also a natural and healthy bodily response. When this natural emotion occurs repetitively and frequently, then it creates an issue in our daily life. According to the American Psychological Association, APA, option APA, anxiety is an emotion characterized by a feeling of tension, worried thoughts and physical changes like increased blood pressure. In earlier times, a man was always in danger from predators. The human brain has developed a defense mechanism by triggering the release of certain hormones, like adrenaline, to make the body respond faster to perceived danger. This adrenaline rush makes the heartbeat faster, brings about profuse sweating and increased sensitivity to the surroundings. The early man could now decide to fight or flight, where he was ready to face the danger or flee from that situation for safety and survival. This type of situation warranting a flight or fight response no longer exists in today's world. However, the reaction of the mind to perceived danger remains the same. This response can come when faced with situations like examinations, sudden presentations to seniors, lack of funds, health issues, driving in traffic, and many such matters. At times, the adrenaline rush due to anxiety helps cope with situations in our lives. However, if this adrenaline rush repeats very often, it can cause physical and emotional stress, which would then need to be addressed. Medical science had addressed these issues and found ways to prevent, cure, and manage these problems. The extreme manifestation of these, like panic attacks, phobias, GAD, generalized anxiety disorders, can be treated with medication or therapy. In Indian manuscripts, ages old, most of these disorders were identified and treatment for the same via therapy, yoga and meditation, and lifestyle changes were advocated. Modern science had equated the current discoveries in the field of mental health with Indian spirituality and found that there is a substantial common thread. Today, we learned what anxiety is, what effect it has on an individual, which makes him worried, fearful, stressed, and tensed. Hence, become aware of your stress and anxiety first and then observe yourself to improve. Stay blessed.